listen to me. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your mental conditioning. If you don't train your mind, it will run on autopilot. Old wounds, old fears, old survival patterns. And then you will wonder why you keep attracting the same situations. It is about recognizing when your ego is reacting, or when your fear is speaking, or maybe your trauma is choosing for you. Strength isn't about pretending to be fine. Strength is doing the inner work. Every thought you repeat becomes a belief, and every belief shapes your decisions, and every decision shapes your reality. This isn't soft work, this is discipline. This is leadership, and this is power. If you train your body but ignore your mind, you're only building half of the foundation. Master your mind, or it will master you.